Hello everyone, kumusta kayo guys? How's your morning? So ito pa tayo guys, ang morning ni Juan. Nako guys, it's coffee time ko pa talaga guys. You know naman guys, as always, diba? So everyday, everyday same routine guys. Daily morning, busy. So yun, medyo late na naman ang coffee ko guys, diba? This time. So, always naman talaga yan guys, no? So, hindi na dapat ikapagtapat. So, meron pa tayong mga tira-tirang tinapay guys. O, di ba? O, di ba? Sayangin ang mga grasya guys, di ba? Mga pagkain. So, kung anong meron, ayun pa rin. Not need to be choosy guys, no? Diba? Kain tayo guys kasi hindi ko man din to pwede talaga ubusin talaga sila guys. Nako. With some coffee guys. Basta hindi talaga ako masyado gutom lang din guys. Isang piraso guys, enough na talaga sa akin kasi minsan kakain pa talaga ako ng rice guys. Yun na nga parang wala man effect yung mga diet guys. Iwan ko na lang. Diba? Okay guys. So, I hope you have a nice morning din dyan, guys. You have a great morning. No, kasi actually, guys, naglalaba pa ako, guys. Diba? So, I'm doing laundry, but I need to do a video. So, I need to stop. Sinong makarelate dyan? Mga content creator, diba? So, yung mga ginagawa niya dyan, habang busy pa. So, nag-alala kung wala pa tayong ma-i-upload content. O, diba? O, sinong makarelate dyan? Anyway, have a nice morning. Have a great morning to all of you guys. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a blessed day to all of you. Thank you so much. See you next again. Bye!